So there's hidden toys in the slime. And everyone's gonna take. Oh, there's the first surprise toy.
Hey, what is it?
It's an ugly doll.
Ugly doll.
Cody got the end.
Cody got the ugly doll.
I got something.
Oh, Liam's got one. Ew. Ew.
It's an ugly doll. I got
Here's
the same.
Another-
Oh, got this guy.
Oh man.
I got it. Oh, he looks
Ew.
really cool.
So sticky.
Okay, now let's go.
Hold on, Carter's turn.
Ooh, you got something? And so do I.
Wait,
Yay!
got something. I can't find it. Daddy, Daddy, got something. Oh, I feel something. Wait, hold on. What are you doing? I can't feel.
My hands are goo.
Guys, what does that smell? Is that green apple?
Yes.
Is that what the slime smells like?
I guess so. It's too sticky. It's getting everywhere.
And I got this portion from Ugly Doll.
I got this portion. My last portion was this guy.
We are about to open a Series 2 Amazing Squishy Poop Supplies.
Yeah. Alrighty. All three of y'all get one, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
So, did you have mine?
What did Carter get?
Did you have one? Did you have mine? Mine is good to open. Mine is not good. My phone. Oh, the Foxy.
Okay. My turn.
That's a Foxy.
I got
Oh
a unicorn.
no. Unicorn.
Someone has to trade with me.
Okay. I'll trade.
Whoopee! I got
You got
Sly. This is Sly. This is Bubbles. And then Carter got Zoms.
Zoms. Kill a zombie. It's poopy.
Squish. Super squishy. Boom, 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 boom,
Yes, I got this. He went away.
Okay, that's the only movie. That's a lot of characters. I'm pretty sure Sissy got. Let's see. Here, open up.
Sissy, open it. What'd you get? Oh, cool. That's cool. So let's review it. Who did you get? Let's see.
Let's see. Pink hail. It's so. We got.
Oh, here, look. Sissy got Little Royale High Neck.
Sticks here that come with the package. Yeah, see, we were leaving all sorts of glue in there.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's bring this over here. Now scoop one little spoonful out.
Okay, that should be good.
Is that a whole spoonful?
Yeah, it should be a hose.
Alright, so this part's gonna be Meredith, and the next part's gonna be Liam's, then the next part's gonna be yours. There we go. Now one whole half of this.
Got it.
Where's half? One whole half of that bottle.
Okay, so tell me. With this top.
Okay.
1.
Now get it out of here. Getting all gluey.
Could you need help? 1, 2, 3.
Children, everybody at home, let a parent help you with this stuff because don't get this in your eyes, okay? So be very careful with all these chemicals. Ew, look at that.
That definitely
That
looks like.
definitely feels like slime.
Does it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can't wait to play with this. I'm gonna put it in a jar, and then I'm gonna play with it every day.
He's happy.
Lee, do you want some crunch in it?
Yeah, I want to make it a little crunchy.
Okay. Let me put some of these phone baby.
Oh,
Here's some of it.
well,
Make it crunchy.
Add some of that in.
It's confetti crunchy galaxy.
ooh, this guy.
Look at that slime. It's all crunchy and stuff.
Okay, let's put a top on it.
Okay. From that top.